Yo, no time for fancy editing? Watch AI make a video intro in one click with Canva, free. I'm a Tunisian student, and this saved my channel. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Canva.com. Sign up free with Google. 10 seconds. Step 2. Search Video Intro in the search bar. Now search for Magic Media. Step 3. Type your prompt. Create a fun 10-second intro for a tech channel with upbeat music and text "Welcome to my channel." Hit generate. AI does the magic. Step 4. Edit if you want. Change colors, add text. Then click Download, MP4 ready. Done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you want to see next.